If you're new here, hi, welcome. I am a physical manifestation of a lifelong passenger of the struggle bus. It's very nice to meet you. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm very sorry if my voice is just a little bit scratchy. I took a very long and unexpected nap. I laid down just for a few minutes from exhaustion and then I woke up like 3 hours later and here we are. Very sorry I didn't bother to fix my makeup and the back of my hair. It looks like I just walked off like a Lizzie McGuire set or something. Very crimped, very crinkly. But I figured I really needed to film a video. It has been a little while since I filmed like an unboxing or anything, so I figured I would go ahead and unbox all the stuff that I ran out of time to unbox last month. So today, as I try to wake up from my slumber, let's go ahead and open up all these boxes that were supposed to be opened up last month. So we'll be opening up 3 boxes today. Well, technically 2 boxes in one envelope. We have the Macy's Beauty box, the Sephora Play box, and then I have a little indie makeup subscription. We used to do indie makeup subscriptions a while back, but we stopped doing them for some reason on this channel. So this is from Apocalyptic Beauty. I will leave more information about them down below. So every single month they're going to send you like a look, and the look for February was Blood Queen. So here we have our little baggie full of items. That's actually a good size amount of items. I can't remember the price of this box either. Oh my gosh. I'll put all that information on the screen and down below, don't you worry. So let's go ahead and get into our little baggie here. The first thing that's actually drawing my attention is a gummy because I absolutely love gummy candies. And this one looks to be like gummy blood, maybe? Very good, very fruity, very gummy. Already inside it looks like we have 5 items here. This looks to be a lip gloss and then we have 4 other like eye items. So the first one we have here is Nimu, which is lip safe. Then we have Purgatory, which is also lip safe. Oh, and I know I'm gonna say this wrong, but next up we have Lanethel, which is also lip safe. And then finally Batheroy, which is also lip safe. And I have noticed from last month, if they are lip safe, they're gonna have like a little red vampire bite on them, but if they're not lip safe, it's gonna be like gray. Plus it'll also say not lip safe if you're not sure. And then for the lip gloss that we got this month, we have Vampirella. Oh cool, I thought it was gonna be like a little squeezy tube, but it does actually have a doe foot applicator. So here is that swatched on the hand. If you kind of just use the doe foot straight from the tube, it is pretty sheer, but you can kind of like mush this since it is a mushy tube to get more out of it, to get more of like an opaque look. This is actually a lot more on the like orange coppery side than I was expecting. I was thinking it would be a little bit more red, but it's still very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my lips really fast. I'm gonna just take some right off the back of my hand so I don't waste it. Oh, that is actually kind of pretty on the lips. It's definitely a little bit sticky, not too overly sticky, I guess. Alrighty, here it is on. It does give a pretty look. It doesn't exactly taste the best, and I know I shouldn't judge lip glosses off the taste, but they are gonna be on your mouth all day, and there's a good chance you might like suck a little bit in there. So it doesn't exactly taste the best, and it is a little bit sticky. Plus when you like move your lips around, the color does like shift a little bit. It kind of like disperses into different areas, but I do think the color is nice and a little bit different. Definitely something different than my typical lip glosses. I kind of thought all these are supposed to like go together to create a full look because it's called like the look of the month. However, I don't really see like these tones going super well with like this reddish orangish stuff we got going on my lips. I mean, of course I haven't tried it all together, but for me personally, this isn't exactly what I would go for. But it is a cute subscription, very much like the ones that we used to get before when we did the ones we used to do before when we got indie subscriptions. So if you guys enjoy indie subscriptions, seeing something a little bit different on this channel, let me know. Alrighty, let's go ahead and move on into Macy's Beauty box. Now this one actually got caught out in the rain because Kentucky tried to wash away. So this box was literally like dripping wet, so hopefully everything inside is all right. Alright, so this is the bag for last month. It's very Valentine's Day-esque. It's like hot pink. We have a gold star over here and it says believe in your hashtag selfie. You guys, I should not be proud of myself for that, but I'm not kidding you. I flipped that up in the air and it landed back in its box. I'm so unathletic. I'm so bad at sports that this actually makes me like excited. Anyway, back to our little sushi roll here of products. Let me go ahead and get these open. Oh, it also comes with a little card here for $5 off your next beauty purchase from Macy's. Ooh, okay, the first thing in here I'm actually pretty excited about. This is an I'm Real Rose sheet mask from Tony Moly. I don't think I've really ever tried too much from Tony Moly. I know they have super adorable packaging. I've always wanted that little like peach hand cream that looks like a peach. It's real cute. So this I'm definitely excited to try out. This is supposed to be a vitalizing face mask. Can always use that. Alright, next up we have something from Dior, and this is a Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. The little thing that it comes in says Dior Glow Squad on the back. And then inside here we just have a little sampler of a couple different colors from the Dior Lip Glow and a tiny little brush. I think that's adorable. So we have the shade Pink, Matte Raspberry, and Hollow Pink, and you know, these are all pretty little colors. Alright, next up we have the fragrance sample for this month, and this is from Coach. This is Floral et de Parfum. And my personal preference on fragrances and things like that, I like more like woodsy and vanilla-y and warm and spicy fragrances. Floral fragrances aren't really my favorite, but I'm gonna go ahead and give her a spritz and a sniff anyway. I've gotten lip gloss in my hair like 14 times. I'm gonna go wash my hand really fast and I'll be right back. Alrighty, now I am back and less sticky. Anyway, as I was saying, this perfume, it does smell very nice. It is super duper florally, probably really great for like spring and summer. Not exactly what I would pick up at the store, but the bottle itself is super adorable, so that's something. Next up in our box we have something from Philosophy, and I feel like Macy's Beauty Box really likes to include Philosophy samples. I'm not upset about it. They're a nice brand and things like that. It's just I feel like we've gotten quite a few of them since I've been signed up for this box. But this is the Ultimate Miracle Worker Fix. This is an eye power treatment, Fill and Firm. And inside the box we have a little itty bitty baby of it, and this is, you know, it's adorable, it's tiny, it's pale pink. So we have received 0.1 fluid ounces of product. There is a safety seal. It has a very light scent to it and also a very light feel on the skin as well. At least it is an eye product, so you don't really have to use too much of it, but I also feel like I had to press quite vigorously on the little bottle to make anything actually come out. Ooh, alright you guys, I'm actually pretty excited about this, and I don't typically get really excited about like face stuff and face cleansers, but this is it. Confidence in a cleanser, and I absolutely loved the It Confidence in a Cream. I'm out of my little sample now, and I really don't want to pay the $49 for the entire like pot of it, but I feel like I'm gonna have to. This is also a halfway decent size for a sample, so I'm definitely excited to give this a try. I'll be testing it out tonight. Alrighty guys, we have one little thing left in here, and this is from Tarte. Ooh, okay, so this is called Fake Awake, and I'm not 100% sure what that is, so let me go ahead and look at the pamphlet. Oh, okay, so this is an eyeliner, and it's supposed to make eyes look brighter and bigger with this long wear matte nude pigment of this creamy gel liner. You know what? I feel like I'm always mostly asleep looking, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Oh, I didn't expect that at all. For some reason, I thought this would be like a cap and the eyeliner would be under it, but no, it's like the whole thing comes off. Since I'm on the verge of sleep every moment of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can fake it to look like I'm actually awake. Oh, that's incredibly attractive. Oh, my contacts are so dry. Alrighty guys, did it work? Do I look more awake on this side of my face? I'm not really sure. It is definitely creamy, definitely pigmented. It did get on my actual eyelashes a little bit, but that's alright. Alrighty guys, so that was everything in last month's, I almost said this month's, but we all know it's not for this month. Everything in last month's Macy's Beauty Box. I am actually pretty excited about some of the things in here. Really excited about trying out this cleanser. I also like the face mask and a couple of the other items in here. It wasn't exactly makeup heavy, and I do prefer a makeup heavy box, but overall I think it is a pretty decent box this month. Not exactly blown away or anything, but it was a decent box. Alrighty, and last but not least, or maybe least, I don't know, you can never tell with Sephora Play. Sephora Play has not been my favorite subscription box for quite some time now, so it could be great, it could be terrible. Let's go ahead and see. So this is the little pamphlet for this month. Definitely super like Valentine's card collage to me, and we have our little play card down here for 50 extra bonus points. Then we have our little bag and a lady that looks like a strawberry. Is she a strawberry? Oh no, she's a heart. That makes much more sense for February. And it says feel the love here at the bottom. Alrighty, I'm gonna start off by trying to grab the perfume sample. I think last month they didn't send us a perfume sample and it was a foil packet instead, and I was a little bit sad about it. Okay, I definitely didn't grab the perfume sample, but that's alright. So this is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain, and one of my favorite liquid lipsticks of all time was from Sephora. They have discontinued it though, but it was in this formula and I loved it so very much. I do have a sneaky suspicion that this sample is red though, and I feel like we get red samples every single time we get a Sephora sample. I wish they would switch it up just a little bit. I know it would be fitting like with the month, but still. And yes, the little guy is red, and I think I have about bought 4 of them, so I will not be swatching this today. I probably need to be using the other ones before I dirty this one up. Alrighty, next up in here, I think this is the perfume sample. Yes, it is, and it's a really good one too. Okay, this is Viktor and Roth Flower Bomb, and I love this perfume. I do have the full size of this, and I do like to wear it often. However, it is quite old now, so it probably doesn't smell the same as it used to. I'm going to compare this little sample here to my full size to make sure my full size still smells like it's supposed to, and I'm not wearing some like very old stanky perfume. So I really am excited about this perfume sample. However, I am noticing now that I looked at the back, it seems like it's okay, well, there's a little bit in there. It's halfway empty maybe, but at least there's some. Alrighty, next up I'm gonna go for this tube, and this is from, oh, First Aid Beauty. I do like First Aid Beauty as well. This is a ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. Ooh, this seems actually really interesting. I feel like with skincare stuff, we get the same things like over and over again. We get like a charcoal mask or some type of like scrub or something like that. But this is definitely different, something I haven't received in a beauty box before, so that makes me happy. And I do know that ginger and turmeric are really good for you, so yep, that's definitely gingery. I can definitely smell the ginger loud and clear. All right, a few more things in here actually. Let's go for this one. All right, next up we have a little pot here. It's pretty cute, but again, it has one of those kind of like false bottom things that makes you think you're getting more than you actually are. But this is a moisturizing eye balm, and I could definitely use a little bit of like under eye moisture right now. My skin has been getting real crinkly recently, and I'm not sure what's going on. I've also been breaking out quite a bit, so I don't know what's going on with that, but hopefully some of these things will help correct that. Alrighty, 2 things left in here. They're both in tiny boxes. I'm gonna get the bigger one first. Ooh, okay, I'm actually pretty excited about this because I have an entire set of these, if I could find them. So this is the Lancome Drama Liqui-Pencil in the shade Nior Intense, and I don't even think I have that one. The ones I have are all like colorful, and I kind of was honestly hoping to get another colorful one that I haven't received before, but again, it's another black liner, very, very standard, but these do glide on very nicely, and from my experience, they stay for a very long time. I've swatched these before on my channel, but I'll show you guys just another one of the colors. So here's one that's kind of like a deep, deep bluish green. They glide on really, really nicely and very, very pigmented. So it is nice to have a black one because it's a nice formula, but I was really hoping it would be like another colorful one because I know they make more colors, but I think this one is absolutely beautiful. And the final thing in the box is yet another Sephora lip product. I'm actually pretty surprised that I've got 2 lip products in this bag. I'm honestly halfway wondering if this was an accident and I was supposed to get something else, but we'll see. Oh, and look at that, you guys. It is not a bright red. I'm very, very excited about that. I will actually swatch this one because it's something a little bit different. All right, it is a very pretty color, but every time I get one of these like deep, rich looking burgundies, they always end up being way more magenta and pink than I was hoping for. So this seems to be a very like matte formula, a little bit dry going on at first, but it is a pretty color. And just checking the pamphlet, apparently I was supposed to be getting 2 Sephora lip products this month, so that's pretty cool. I'm always down for a good lip product. So I thought this was a pretty decent Sephora play for this month. I really like the perfume sample for this month. I liked getting 2 lip products, even though I've received that one tiny little Barbie lipstick like 50 times in the red shade. But it was nice to get a couple different lip products. I also got another black eyeliner, which I've said a million times, I do not need another black eyeliner, but they just keep popping into those bags. Alrighty guys, so that was all the boxes that I ran out of time to unbox last month because of my full-time position as a member of the struggle bus, and I will definitely try to prevent these boxes from piling up like this in the future because I know you guys really don't want to see them unboxed like a month after they've already been out, because I'm sure most of you already have your boxes by then and I've seen a billion unboxing videos. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Also, I'm super sorry if I've been squinting this entire time. I have my contacts today and my eyes don't like contacts in there. They're trying to like reject them out of my eyeballs. So sorry about like the squintiness, but just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!